The carbon brush assembly consists of the brush holder, the carbon brush and lead, and the brush tension spring. If your tool's motor is overloaded, it can overheat the brush assembly. This can damage the brush, the tension spring, and the holder. The carbon brush assembly makes it easy to repair your tool in this situation. Replacing the carbon brush assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the rear handle. Now remove the motor housing from the other half of the handle. I'll disconnect the wires that go to the brushes. Now I can remove the brush holder from the housing. I'll tip it slightly to the side and then pull it away from the housing. To install the new brushes, I align them so the tab for the wire is pointing towards the back of the tool, insert them into the opening at an angle, and then make sure the tab locks into the housing. I'll go ahead and connect the wire and install the other brush. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's how easy it is to install new carbon brush assemblies in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.